In this video, I will show you how to count unique dates in Excel like this. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, I have some order data containing order dates in this column. Now I want to count unique dates from this data. For example, the date 1st January 2024 appears once. The date 2nd January appears twice. And the date 3rd January 2024 appears 3 times in the order list. So out of a total of 6 orders, there are only 3 unique dates. There is no built-in unique function available except for a few newer versions of Excel and Excel 365. So we will write our own formula to count the unique dates using the sum product and countif functions. I am going to count how many times each date appears in the list using the countif function. Once I get the count, I am going to divide the number 1 by the count of each date. Finally, the sum product function will add the results of the division to get us the count of the unique dates. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type sum product followed by an opening bracket. Type 1 followed by the division operator slash. Type countif followed by an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells containing dates as the first and second arguments of the countif function. Type the closing brackets of the countif and sum product functions. The countif function will compare each date in the range with all the dates and return the count of matching dates. Since there are 6 dates in the range, it will return an array of 6 elements. The first date appears only once, so the first element of the array is 1. The second and third dates appear twice, so the second and third elements of the array contain 2. Similarly, the third date appears 3 times, so the last 3 elements of the array contain 3. Next, the formula divides the array elements by 1. So, for the dates appearing only once, the result of the division 1 divided by 1 will be 1. For the dates appearing twice in the array, the result of the division 1 by 2 will be 0.5. And for the dates appearing thrice in the array, the result of the division 1 divided by 3 will be 0.33. Finally, the sum product function will sum up the array elements and the result of that will be 3. As you can see, we now have the count of unique dates in the range. For the newer Excel versions or Excel 365, we can use the unique function along with the count function. Here is the formula to do that. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.